Hello students, today we are going to know about question tags. So now let's begin. What are question tags? A question tag is used at the end of the statement. For example, you are listening, aren't you? So it is used at the end of the statement. Question tags are used for affirmation or confirmation. If I say, you are listening, aren't you? I am confirming that you are listening. It is not a complete question in itself. Now let's see some examples. Now let's have a look at the examples. Gopika is singing, isn't she? I have a pencil, haven't I? My friend isn't coming, is he? You are learning, aren't you? Question tags are used at the end of the statements. Question tags are not the complete question in itself, and they are used for affirmation or confirmation. Now let's note the important point. If the statement is positive, the question tag must be negative. And if the statement is negative, the question tag will be positive. Types of question tags. There are two types of question tags, positive and negative. Now let's have a look. The two types of question tags are positive and negative. Now let's do positive question tags first. If the sentence is negative, the question tag is positive. Now let's see some examples. You can note down the points in your notebook. My friend is not coming. Can you tell the question tag? Is he? It will be positive. So first we will see the helping verb, that is, and my friend. The pronoun for my friend will be he or she. So is he or is she? The question tag will be is he or she. Parul wasn't cooking. The question tag will be was. The question tag will be positive. Was she? You couldn't stop me, could you? So if the sentence is negative, the question tag will be positive. So these are positive question tags. Now let's do negative question tags. These are positive sentences. We are studying. So question tag will be, first we should take the helping verb and then add not. So aren't we? It will become aren't we? They were sleeping. Weren't they? Meenal was playing. The question tag will be wasn't she? Ajay is cooking. Isn't he? So children, remember one thing, that for the proper noun, we don't write the name as it is, we write the pronoun. Agree with the subject, agree with the name. So Meenal is a girl, so pronoun will be she. Here Ajay, it is a proper noun. We don't use proper noun in the question tags. So Ajay will become he. The pronoun for Ajay will be he. So isn't he? Now let's see the next rule. The statement is in the simple present tense. In the question tags, we will use do, don't, does or doesn't in the question tags. Now let's see the examples. Students, if you want to write the exercises, you can note down. Now let's see the examples. I go to the market. This is in simple present tense. So the question tag will be, in this sentence we should see that what will come, do or does. With I we will write do, and this is a positive statement, so the question tag will be negative. So the question tag will become do plus not, don't I. He laughs loudly. So with he we use do or does, we use does, and because it is positive, so the question tag will be negative. So it will become doesn't he. He goes for a walk daily. So then again see he, this is simple present tense, he, do or does, he does. So it will become doesn't he. You speak Hindi. You will take do. So do will become don't you, because it is positive statement. So the question tag will be negative. It will be don't you. When the statement is in simple past tense, in the question tags we will use did or didn't. Now let's see the examples. Now see the examples. She went to Agra. The question tag, see the sentence is in past tense. Went is second form of the verb. So it will take did. So did plus not, because it is in positive. So didn't she? I ate a cake. So it will take did. Didn't I? He laughed loudly. Didn't he? You drove a car yourself. Didn't you? This is a negative statement in simple past tense. So Garima didn't shout. It will become did she? So now let's revise again. She went to Agra. Didn't she? I ate a cake. Didn't I? He laughed loudly. Didn't he? You drove a car yourself. Didn't you? Garima didn't shout. Did she? Now I am going to tell you some points to remember. Now let's have a look. Points to remember. If this sentence starts with I am, the question tag will be aren't I. I am teaching you, aren't I? Question tags never start with a capital letter. Couldn't he? Haven't I? Wasn't he? Like this. Now I am giving you some exercises. You write the answers of the questions in the comment section.
काय questions?
I am writing the questions. Dear students, write the answers of these questions in the comment section. The questions are: you aren't learning, he isn't listening, you can speak Marathi, you have studied well, this is Mohan's room, I am early, they weren't laughing, Meetu can't dance. So write the answers in the comment section. We'll see you soon in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye.